Hello, welcome to another video.
Shapes can always be tricky. Sometimes you can use the pen, but sometimes you need the tweezers. So we will try both ways. You want to make sure there's enough wax on the pen that it will pick up. Okay, maybe it's not going to work with the pen for these. They're too big. Although, let's see. Oh, using the multiplacer kind of works. I think we will just do tweezers.
Okay, so with the hearts, it clearly was better with the tweezers because they're a little bit bigger. But if you might remember the tree I did last month, those were small enough. They were bigger than regular rhinestones, but they were small enough that they worked with just the pen. But obviously, preference is different by other people, and it just depends on what you're comfortable with. Um, I definitely am pretty comfortable with both tweezers and pen. After I finished these, though, I did have to go back and look and just slightly adjust the hearts so that they weren't, some of them were just a teeny bit lopsided. So there was that, doing it with the tweezers, but it worked out good in the end for me. And hopefully, however you decide to do shaped rhinestones works for you. Um, for something bigger like this, you'll notice that I've been pressing down with my finger after I get them on there, just because I don't want them to move around too much. And when you're placing regular rhinestones, you can usually hear the stickiness either from the pen or from the paper. And I just wanted to make sure that they were really on there. I don't want them to fall off. With these bigger canvases, I usually don't seal them. But since these Hobby Lobby ones are already on a framed canvas, maybe I will seal them just to be safe. And that's all I've got for you. I just wanted to share this extra tidbit with about the shaped rhinestones because I know some people, well, I don't even know. Some people might just struggle with them. I know at first when I started doing diamond painting, I struggled. So, yeah. Anyways, have a good day or night. Bye.